Hello everyone, my name is Atul Kumar Singh. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 485. Title is maximum consecutive ones. So what is the problem? Given a binary array, means array containing 0 and 1, return the maximum number of consecutive 1 in the array. Let return the maximum number of consecutive 1 means there should not be a sudden break. For example, this 1 1, so and again we encounter 0. So maximum number of consecutive 1 can be, so we can say 2. So we have got a break. Then again we will check, we get 3 maximum consecutive 1. So output will be 3. So we have to check for the maximum consecutive 1, and if 0 is encountered, then we can place the count at 0. So it's simple, we can declare a variable called count, and we will initialize with 0. Then we will again declare a variable called maximum, and we will also declare with 0, and we will iterate through each element of the vector. Print I equals 0, I less than nums dot size, then I plus plus. If you encounter 1, then simply increase the count. If nums of I is 1, then simply increase the count. And we have to check for the consecutive 1. So after encountering 1, if you get a 0, then simply move the count to the 0. And every time you are checking for 1, you can update the maximum from the maximum of count and the maximum. So if nums of I is 1, so simply increase the count and update the maximum. Update the maximum as maximum and count. If at any time you receive, if you encounter a 0, simply initialize the count with 0, because we have to check for the maximum number of consecutive ones. So after the loop ends, we can return our maximum. Return our maximum. So we'll compile it, check it's working or not. So we have a compile error, semicolon is missing. We'll add it, then again compile. So it's accepted. So we'll try to submit. So it's successfully submitted. Uh, so if we check for the time complexity, so we are running only one loop and checking iterating for each element. So time complexity is clearly big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of 1h. We are not using any extra space. So thanks for watching this video.